and Apple making a move higher here. $24.28, $390, 83.90. Wondering if down here at this 90-cent spot could be a spot to pick up some Apple. Let's watch. I'm gonna see if I can get some in the 80s long against the 60s. See if I can get some Apple down here. A nice little rainstorm happening in the background. It's probably coming through the microphone. What did Disney do? Disney back into its pre-market range. I want to know 106 back below again. Yes, very tight right now. Okay, here's Apple down below the hole. Here's into the 80s. I did get filled here at 83 cents, so I do have it here at 83 cents. Average stops down below 60. And we're going right down there. So if we fail here, it'll be a quick, I'll know I'm wrong quickly. Don't like that it's hovering here and not getting right back up. That's not typically a good sign. Let's get up over this hole maybe, and then we can see if we can start doing some work. If we don't get over this hole on this attempt here, I got to take some off. That's not looking good. It's gonna be the last chance I'm gonna give it to get up over the hole right here. It's got to go. Nope. I'm taking it off 3/4 of it right there. There's the hole. Now it goes. I still got a quarter left, but it just wasn't going. Let's see how far can we get up to highs. I'm going to take off another piece there. I just got a tiny piece left. Wish I still had my full size because we are back up at highs. And I took the full size off, or most of my size off at 91 cents after multiple attempts and failure to get through. So I will need to review this later once I'm out because that was a great pickup and I just dished out my size way too early here. But still in the trade, still riding this push here, just letting the tape show me where to go. Still would love to still have my size here. Shed that way too quick. Here's Apple to highs, 50 cents highs. I'm going to put 185 next high a day. Here's 50 cents. Got above 50. Still going. 60s. Can we get to 70s? A little bit of size there. Going to take it right here, flat this Apple here. Let me set a marker. I will need to review this. The early dropping of the size there right before it went. Here we got above 70 cent briefly and then came back in. But I mean, the pickup was great. The shedding of the size here was obviously in hindsight wrong, and would have been a really nice trade if I'd carried that size up over 50 cents. But you know, that's learning here. So good entry. Exits need work still. Set a marker review for later today. I'm hesitant to buy this pullback on Amazon. I don't like that it came this far back down. Yeah, I don't like that it came this far back down below pre-market high. Um, let's look at Tesla. Okay, Tesla's on lows, 178 low a day. So let's start watching Tesla. What did that get down to? 60. Okay, that's better from Amazon. I'm gonna do 65 bid against 45. See if I can pick that up down there now. Now that they've defended that area and it's not just like falling completely apart, we'll see if it revisits that. If it does, I'll pick some long up down there and try to hold for at least near highs, 89, 20s, 30s. Here's the 70s. Tesla holding up so far. Apple still running actually. Oh no, it's not. It's actually come all the way back in. Tesla, Amazon. Saw my bid flash down there in the 60s real quick. Not sure if I'll get that down there, but I'm willing to be patient. Tesla. Back down here. Amazon 89s. Above 89. I don't know if I want it on the way back. I'm canceling that Amazon. I'm not going to take that bid now if it comes back down here. I don't think I want it. So, yeah, I think I missed that. What did that low get down to? 71. I was at 65, so 6 cents on that pickup there. That would have been a nice purchase, a nice buy down here in the 60s. But it wasn't meant to be right now. So, and I don't want it if it comes back. But let's see, now into the teens, making a nice move up to the 20s. Great spot to be unloading the buy that I was trying to get here, up here. That would have been a very nice trade. But game of inches and millimeters sometimes. Let me set a marker here for review. Maybe I could have done something different to have gotten in. Okay, it is a couple minutes to 10 here. I'm not seeing a ton. Go ahead on pause, head off to work, get some work done. My alerts are set for when / if something happens. So Amazon 20s might make it to new highs. We'll see. All right, out to pause. Check, check, check. It's 2:16 p.m. Tesla is starting to break down with some volume, so watching this. I'm gonna see if there's a way to get in. Maybe somewhere around here, the 78.30s or 40s, somewhere around this area. If that comes to be, that's what I'm looking at right now. Apple kind of bounced off of that low and just kind of ground higher, holding higher too. So this Tesla. It's not even able to pop a couple of pennies. Not very steep pullbacks here right now on Tesla. Let's see what we can get. See if we can get something around here. Well, I guess I'll go on pause until we get some kind of push back and then fail, and then I'll try to get an entry on there. But I don't want to pound Tesla at the lows. So whole day is just really tight. So just going to continue waiting. Check, check, check. It's 234. This Tesla popped and came up above, then dropped down again, and I'm offering it out just under the hole here, trying to get it right here at 98 cents. Doesn't appear to be happening here at 98 cents. Might be able to get it here, and you can see the selling stepping in here. Right in these low 90s. It's not even printing 94s or 95s. They're just hitting bids. So in that case, let's try to go down to 93. Might just have to hit the bid here. Let's see if I can get filled at 93. Since we weren't getting up to 99, can't get 93s either. See that? A bunch of machines jump in front. And then back down to the bid here. Amazon and Lowe's. I'm gonna need to step down to 89, and I might just need to hit the bid here. But I don't want to chase it all the way down. Amazon on Lowe's, and there she goes. Let's see if I can get those 89s. I'll actually step down to like 86. Trying to find a way into this Tesla here on the short side. Here's 85s. Got a partial, got the full thing. There's 89s, so short Tesla, 86 cents. Stop is at 12 cents, and it needs to go pretty much right away, straight down to fresh lows, 77.60s. Should be very quick down to here if this seller is real. Want to see these bids get smashed very soon, and for us to continue lower. Got AMD hitting new lows. We've got Amazon hitting new lows. Apple's holding on. And need Tesla to also start heading lower. Don't want to really see this above 90 cents now. '80s go ahead and drop. Will the '70s drop? I'm really not seeing the selling pressure I was looking for. I was looking for this to already be well below lows. I'm not seeing it. Everything else on lows except for Apple. Will these '70s drop? It's just so hard right now. There's the 70 drop. Got a bunch of bid spraying. Are we stepping lower? Are we going to go run at that low a day in 5 cents? Low a day in 5 cents. And we're not going to go run at it. And that's cause for concern. I'm going to cover 2 here. I don't like that. I'm going to keep my original stop at 12 cents. But I only have a third of the position left. I don't like how it's not going. Everything else appears to be heading lower except for this Tesla. And now it's reclaiming 80. Like it should be down below lows by now if there was an active seller. So if we get an 80 bid, I'm out. right down at the bottom of this range here, really close to lows. 10 cents away, you'd think 10 cents in Tesla is nothing, but we're not getting there, which makes me very cautious. ES on lows. Tesla, 10 cents off lows, but not going. More selling. You just can't get down. More selling. Still can't get down. Watching closely here. I'm going to take it. Oh, wow. Did you see that? I got 82s, but it spiked up very quickly, all the way up to the hole, or all to the 90s there. But I am flat this Tesla. It just wasn't breaking down, so call it impatient. If it goes later, the benefit of hindsight, but right now, seller is not willing or able to keep pushing, so I'm flat. Set a marker here.